Hi guys, you learned how to start peyote stitch with one needle. That was by the book, yeah? Now I'm going to show you, out of the book, how to start peyote stitch with two needles. That's a two needle peyote stitch. Thread your needle with something like 40 centimeters or 20 inches of thread, doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be too long. Add each needle on each end of your thread, and then let's start. And this is very useful method to know when you have a big piece, when you have to string a lot of beads in the first two rows, and the tension, if you use this method, the tension will be much better. It will be easier for you to keep the tension on this way than when you do that with one needle. So let's get started. Pick up one bead with one needle and pick up the other bead with the other needle. Take your needles, put your needles together and slide down in the center of your thread, slide down those two beads. You already can see where I'm going. Now place your two needles like that together and pass with both the needles through one bead. And it's possible, these are tulip needles, size 11, so it's possible to pass through delicate bead with two needles. You see what you get? You just get two rows, already three beads are added. Now again, let's pick up two. Take care that you don't twist the thread. Pick up one bead with one needle and pick up the second bead with the other needle. Place the needles together. Take care that you don't hurt yourself. Slide down those two beads. Now put them together and pass through one bead with both needles. Slide down the thread. Push, push with your needle those beads. Look at that. Look at that. Peyote stitch. It's not a joke. And again, one on one needle. It's a little bit this it's not so comfortable when you are not left-handed to pick up the bead with the left hand. At least in my case, it's not so. Yeah, I don't feel so comfortable and not that fast then. Now put those two tips of tops of the needle and then pass through one bead, and so, and go, etc., etc. And then when you have to continue, you just choose one needle. Now wait, because I made them, so you just choose one needle. This is the second needle, but treat it like a tail of your thread. And because you are going to sew this later into your work, now you just pick up you just choose one needle and you are continuing. Pick up one bead. This is the third row, etc., etc. This is easy to make. Now this is maybe not now it is, because this thread we don't have stopper bead or something so to keep those beads, so you have to pull the thread from the other needle stronger, or when you make 1-2 rows more, immediately sew this thread into your work to keep the tension of those first and secure those first 2 rows. So now you learn something out of the book how to do peyote stitch with 2 needles. Okay, see you in the next lesson.